The PBS Kids video app now lets you download full episodes and clips all at the tap of a finger. This means you can watch your favorite PBS Kids shows whenever you want, wherever you are. Ready to learn how? Wonderful! All you need is a mobile device or tablet, the latest version of the free PBS Kids video app, and an internet connection. To begin, open the app. On the right-hand side of the screen, tap or swipe the 4 colorful squares to open the Shows menu. Find the show you want to download on the left side of the screen and tap it. At the top of the screen, look for the Watch Now/Download switch. Then swipe or tap to select Downloads. You'll know you're in Downloads mode when the screen changes from yellow to blue. Tap a video's green arrow to begin downloading. When you see the circular loading icon, that means your video is downloading. When it's finished, the video image will light up and you'll hear this. Now your video is ready to watch at home or on the go, with or without an internet connection. Just tap the video to begin playing. There's also a Grown-ups page where you can customize your device's storage, accessibility settings, and more. Follow these steps to download multiple episodes and clips from other PBS Kids shows. Videos are updated every week, so come back and check out what's new on the free PBS Kids video app.